You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face.
What the hell is going on?
In a crowded place.
Oh, you're recording.
Do it again.
Stop touching my tits. I know they're irresistible, but come on now. Stop. Stop it!
Oh, it's so
Stop playing me. I'm not turned on. Alright, you know what?
You can still plug your hand. Plug me in, Steph. Ready? No, you have to... Not my belly button. Ooh. That fell and that really hurt. We can put it back. Let's plug Amy in.
No, one more time. One more time.
That was really funny.
No.
Bye, MySpace.
Nigga!
Oh wait, I should do the emo boy thing. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Now take this. I'm Roger. And I cut myself. I love you.
No, it's like, no, I'm not doing it now.
I'm metal.
Rock on, bitches.
Ready? I'll do it. Okay.
I'm metal too. I hate myself.
I hate myself, guys. I love Bullet for my Valentine.
That's I love you.
Whatever. I love Bullet for my Valentine.
And My Chemical Romance.
And Simple Plan. Love it.
Stop it!
Love.
Too much love.
I can't get a girlfriend, so camera, come here. I'm so gross. I love you.
Oh, look at my dinosaur cup. Get this on film. Okay, this is a dinosaur. They're starting to race. Okay, ready? It's so hip. Alright. Oh! Save the whales, okay? No, save them. Okay? Save them. That looks like an alligator whale. Courtney emo glasses. Wear them.
Okay, no, let's do the boy thing?
Yeah.
Should I put them over my face?
No.
Wait, hold on. Alright, ready? I love you. I love you. Why don't you love me back? I'm gonna go cry in the corner. Okay, I'm good.
Throw my glasses on the floor, you emo freaks. Stop.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, we have like no